Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Gyani Nitin online class. Today we are going to study history from class 7, chapter 1, which is tracing changes through 1,000 years. And this is the part 2 of this chapter. So today our topic is new social and political groups. New social and political groups. Students, I hope you have remembered about of last class because last class we have discussed about new and old terminologies and historians and their sources. Now today we are going to discuss about new social and political groups. So in this topic, what we are going to discuss? We are going to discuss about improvement of technology. Improvement of technology. Next one is new arrival, new food arrival, period of great mobility, period of great mobility, and last one is make jatis and subclass. Okay, so new social and political group. This is the topic today we are going to discuss. In this topic, I have a subtopic. Number one is improvement of technology. Number two is B is new food arrived. C is period of great mobility, and D is make jatis and subclass. So, students, respectively, we are going to discuss about all these topics, subtopics in this topic. Okay, so number A is improvement of technology. Improvement of technology. Children, in this chapter, we are going to be discussing about 750 AD to 1750 AD period of time. Okay, in this period of time, technology which very improved, and this is the challenging period of time for historians. This is the challenging period of time for historians because technology which developed, which improved. You have three examples in this book. Number one is Persian wheel. Persian wheel, which is water lifting water lifting device. Next one is spinning wheel. Next one is the spinning wheel. The spinning wheel. The spinning wheel. And last one is firearms in combat. Firearms in combat. Okay, the spinning wheel. The spinning wheel will be here. Okay, which type of improvement of technology? You have three examples. This is the example of technology. Number one is Persian wheels. What is meaning of Persian wheels? Persian wheels. This is the water lifting device. Water lifting device. So this device, which period of time is 8th century to 18th century, people who sort out of irrigation problem in agriculture. People who sort out of irrigation problem. Next one is the spinning wheel in weaving. To this instrument spinning trade. People who started spinning trade, and last one is firearms in combat. This is the weapon. This is the weapon which used in war, and also which is very easy to carry. Okay, so these three examples which prove that between 8th to 18th century, people, historians who have faces big challenge. Okay, now next topic. Next topic related to food. Number D is new food arrive. New food arrive. Between 8th to 18th century, between 8th to 18th century, there were new food. There were new food which arrived. There were new food which arrived, like you have example potatoes, chilies, corn, pea, and coffee. Okay, so students, next changing between 8th to 18th century, people who have between 8th to 18th century, new food arrived. Which type of food? Potatoes, chilies, corn, pea, and coffee. Okay, so next topic is period of great mobility. Number C is period of great Mobility. What is meaning of mobility? Mobility means movement. Movement. That means people who move. People who moving one place to one place to another another place another place. Question rise. Why? Why moving? Why moving one place to another place? For opportunity. For opportunity. Which type of opportunity? Which type of opportunity? For education. For education. For business. For trade work. Okay, so period of great mobility. Period of great mobility means movement. People moving one place to another place between 8th to 18th century. This is the again period of time 8th to 18th century. Okay, between 8th to 18th century, people moving one place to another place. Why? Why moving one place to another place? For opportunity. For opportunity. Which type of opportunity? For education, for business, or trade, etc. Okay, so this is the term which period of time people who move one place to another place, and society in society there were different types of changes. Next one is make jati or subcaste. Make jati or subcaste. But before discussing of make jati and subcaste, one topic which is left, which is group of people. Group of people between 8th to 18th century. 8th to 18th century. One group which is very famous, Rajputs. Rajputs. Okay, in this period of time, have also different groups, but Rajput groups, which is very famous, Rajput, Rajput, Rajput derived from Rajput, Rajput. Okay, which means son of ruler. Which means son of ruler. Okay. 8th to 18th century, one group which is very famous, which group name is Rajputs. Rajput derived from Rajputra, which means son of rulers. Okay, son of rulers. Under Rajputs means not only rulers and shamans, include also soldiers and commanders. Other groups of people such as the now this period of time another group also other groups such as Marathas, opposed, Marathas, opposed, the Sikhs, etc. So these are the another book which name is Marathas, Ahoms, Jar, Sikhs, etc. Okay, so with period of time there are different types of group which famous. Next one is now caste and subcaste. Number D is caste and subcaste. It is also called jatis. Jatis. Caste, jatis. Okay, caste and subcaste. Now, 8th to 18th century, people who started 8th to 18th century, people who started deforestation, deforestation, burning of fire. Why? Why? For agriculture. The question is why? Why start deforestation? For agriculture. For agriculture.